Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to talk about the steps to install Cypress for web automation. Basically, we are diving into the world of web automation with Cypress. Whether you are a seasoned automation developer or just starting, this tutorial will guide you through the installation process step by step. So let's get started. First of all, I will give you a quick idea what I'm going to talk about. As you can see, these are the main topics I will discuss today. Let's start with the Cypress introduction. Cypress is a powerful JavaScript end-to-end testing framework that makes it easy to write and run tests directly in the browser. So it's fast, reliable, and has a fantastic automation experience. So what are the benefits of Cypress? Uh, the real-time reloads, instant feedback with real-time reload during test development is one benefit of Cypress. And easy setup and installation. It has this simple installation process as an npm package, making it accessible for developers. And JavaScript and TypeScript support. Um, it supports both the JavaScript and TypeScript for flexible test scripting. And it has this interactive test runner, powerful test runner with an interactive environment for seamless test execution and debugging. And it supports this time travel debugging ability to view and debug the application state at any point during test execution is there. And it has automatic waiting and retrying facility, automatic waiting for elements and intelligent command retries to reduce test failures. And it supports for modern web technologies. So likewise, there are other benefits: cross-browser testing, built-in assertions, and community and documentation support. Uh, yeah, there are many benefits of Cypress, and I'm not going to talk much about the benefits of Cypress, taking your time. And I will move to the third topic, how to install Node.js and why it is important. Let's see what is Node.js and why it is important for Cypress. Node.js is an open source server-side JavaScript runtime environment that allows developers to execute JavaScript code outside of a web browser. Node.js is providing the foundational runtime environment that enables Cypress to function as a powerful end-to-end framework. The integration of Cypress with Node.js allows developers to write and execute tests using JavaScript or TypeScript and manage dependencies efficiently. So the first step is to make sure you have Node.js installed uh, because Cypress is built on Node.js and it is a prerequisite for running Cypress. So let's look at how to install Node.js. So in order to install Node.js, you have to open your web browser and go to official Node.js website. So I opened the Node.js website already, and you can see there are some installers available in this website. Click on the long-term support, the LTS version, which is recommended for most users, and you have to select the appropriate installer according to your machine's operating system, and the installer will start downloading. So once it is downloaded, you have to locate the download file and double click on the installer file to run it. And you have to follow the on-screen instruction to install that in the Node.js setup wizard and accept the license agreement and choose the default settings and click next until you reach the install button and then click install. So once Node.js is installed, open your terminal or command prompt to verify the installation, and you have to type this command. So I installed Node.js already, so I will type this command and check whether this Node.js installation is successfully completed in my machine or not. you can easily type node -p, and when you give that command, you will see the Node.js version installed in your machine. Perfect. We are all set with Node.js. Now let's move on to installing Cypress itself. So then we will look at what is the IDE, the next topic actually. I thought of including this one. What is the IDE we will use for Cypress automation? Uh, so we are going to use Visual Studio Code for Cypress automation. Using Visual Studio Code for Cypress development has several advantages, making it a popular choice among developers. There are some reasons why using Visual Studio Code for Cypress is considered beneficial. One reason is Visual Studio Code is a lightweight but powerful code editor. It provides features like syntax highlighting, auto-completion, and code formatting, which is actually enhancing the developer's coding experience. And another thing is VS Code has rich ecosystem of extensions. There are extensions specifically designed for Cypress, and it has built-in terminal, and I already installed Visual Studio Code in my machine, and you can see the UI of Visual Studio Code, and there is this built-in terminal, and it allows you to run commands and scripts directly within the editor. This is convenient for running Cypress command, executing tests, and viewing results without switching to a separate terminal window. And there is another benefit, which is source control integration. Visual Studio Code seamlessly integrate with version control systems like Git, and there is this debugger support. VS Code includes a built-in debugger that supports JavaScript and TypeScript, and it has this uh, cross-platform support. Visual Studio Code is available for Windows, Mac OS, and Linux, and likewise, there are several benefits of using Visual Studio Code, and then I will move into uh, the last topic, steps to install Cypress. So how we install Cypress is very easy. It's a very straightforward process. If you have Node.js and npm already installed, these are the steps. First step is you have to give this npm init -y to create package.json. So we will look at what is this package.json. Initializing this new Node.js project is important before you start anything. So if your project doesn't have a package.json file, you need to initialize a new Node.js project and run this command and follow the prompts, and you have to create that package.json file as the first step. What is this package.json file? The package.json file is a central configuration file for Node.js project. So if not only it's not only managing these dependencies, but also provides metadata, configuration options, and scripts for executing various tasks. Having a well-structured package.json file is crucial for effective project management. So it's important. And here what I'm going to do, I will open Visual Studio Code, and you can open a terminal from this view menu and go to a terminal, and open a new terminal, and make sure you are in this project directory. This is where I'm going to create my project, and I will give the first command to initialize the project, and this is the command that you need to give here. So here you can see the package.json file, and that node packages will get created, and here this package.json file got created, And then as the next command, we will be providing npm install Cypress, save dev to install Cypress as a dev dependency. And here is the next command, npm install Cypress. This one, I'm again going back to the terminal and providing this command. Okay, now you can see that Cypress that Cypress installation is in progress. Now you can see the Cypress installation is completed, and here are some packages you can see in the node modules. And then I will run another command, basically this one, npx Cypress open, to open the Cypress test runner. Let's see what happens when we give this command. Okay, I am clicking on allow here. Okay, here you can see the Cypress test runner, and for the moment I am going to select this one because this is the segment that is important for my testing, end-to-end test automation I'm going to do. And it says we added the following files to your project, and those are kind of inbuilt setup coming with your Cypress automation framework. And I'm going to the next step, and here you have to choose your preferred browser for end-to-end testing, and I'm selecting Chrome, and here it's opening the Cypress test runner, and there are specs and sample specs available. And yeah, what you can do is you can just select one sample script and you can run. When you select it, it will open the test runner and it will execute the steps in this sample test script. So you can see steps are going to open here, and it will execute, and it will complete the test execution like this. And guys, this is what I was planning to complete today. Congratulations, you have run your first Cypress test. I will show you how to write basic test script using Cypress commands. We will interact with elements on a sample website and see Cypress in action in the next video. And feel free to ask questions in the comment section if you get stuck or need clarification. Learning together is what this channel is all about. And we have successfully installed and explored Cypress for web automation. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thank you for joining me today. Happy coding, and I'll see you in the next video.